Enter your idea, select the character. That's all there is to it. Then just press run and wait. It's so simple, anyone can do it. The system will automatically generate videos with consistent characters. You can create without limits with the integrated AI photo editor. You can create an image with multiple characters appearing together with a background of your choice. Then, you can instantly create a video for that photo in a very simple way. In try-on mode, you can dress the model in clothing or any item without needing to enter a prompt. You just select an image and press generate. The product image generation mode is also very simple. You just need to select the product image and press generate. Adding, deleting, or editing a photo without altering its composition or scenery is now simpler than ever. You no longer need graphic design or any computer skills. You can even specify a location to add or remove something from the image while leaving everything else unchanged. Join us to experience the world's leading AI technologies, making your work easier. Whether you are a content creator, a salesperson, a journalist, a tech enthusiast, or anyone who wants to do something with photos and videos, it's amazing and won't disappoint you.